Recycling is the bare minimum. Anyone can recycle. We go further. We regenerate. Every Phos instrument is modular. When something fails, we don't bin it. We bring it back. Optics, bezels, engines, all reborn. 97.45% recyclable. Aluminium that never fades. Glass reborn. LEDs, PCBs and cables designed to return. Even our aluminium carries history. 38% sourced in Derbyshire. 55% already recycled. Energy stored, not wasted. 87% of returns repaired, not replaced. Every fitting, regen ready. Even the packaging gets a second act. Recycled, recyclable, sealed without harmful glues. Certified B Corp. TM66 Excellent across the board. TM65 embodied carbon data available. WEEE certified for a clean exit. Recycling ends the story. Regeneration begins it again. Don't replace it, regenerate it.